Hi there, monetizers. Welcome to June 2026. I cannot believe that we have reached the midpoint of the year. Where has the time gone? Thank goodness we still have 6 months left to go to really be able to push our businesses forward. I'm really excited about the next 6 months. But let me know, monetizers, how is the year going for you so far? If you could rank it on a scale of 1 to 10, of course, 1 being the lowest and 10 being the highest, let me know within the comment section how you are feeling about your business this year and the areas of improvement that you want to see happening before the end of the year. Now, within our ecosystem of Monetize Your Business in partnership with FMB, we have got a jam-packed month in the month of June. So let's talk about it a little bit. Our theme for this month is all about building a team that you can trust. Building a team that you can trust. Now, this, of course, is a very, very important conversation, no matter where you might be in your business journey. If you are at the very beginning of your business, you might be thinking to yourself, how do I get extra help? I'm a solopreneur. I need extra help. How do I get temporary staff? How do I get permanent staff? How do I know when it is time for me to start hiring staff? And for those of you who have a little bit more seasoned and mature businesses, you might be thinking to yourself, how do I attract the right staff? Not just somebody that looks good on a CV, not just somebody that performs well in an interview, but somebody that is a good cultural fit for my business, that is the right work ethic and the right vision that I can actually grow my business with. And these are the conversations that we are having within our community. Now, we want to journey this with you. So, for our physical workshops this month, we are going all the way to the Eastern Cape. Yes, if you are based anywhere near the Eastern Cape, we want to meet you in the month of June. We are coming to Mthatha and we are coming to East London as well. And then for our third workshop of the month, we are bringing it a little bit closer to Klerksdorp. So if you are in the Eastern Cape or you are in Klerksdorp, we want to physically meet you in the month of June. Now, if you're not in any of those areas, but you're thinking, Hetty, I need this knowledge, I need this information, do not worry. All of our workshops are live streamed on YouTube. All you need to do is to search Monetize Your Business on YouTube and you can join us live within the workshop. Now, of course, our social media platforms are an educational tool. So over and above the workshops, we are going to be unpacking this conversation of building a team that you can trust on all of our social media platforms. We're going to be sharing content pieces, education, knowledge, tips and tricks with you. So make sure that you are following at Monetize Your Business in order to get all of the knowledge and information. And of course, we close off the month with our free online masterclass webinar. And our topic for our masterclass webinar this month is getting your financial affairs in order. We know that you cannot monetize unless your money situation in your business is right. So we are bringing a subject matter expert to help us unpack how do we get our financial affairs correct in our business. Any questions that you have, anything that you are struggling with while building your business from a financial perspective, this is the online masterclass that you need to really plug into. It's going to be happening at the end of the month on Zoom. So please do make sure that you're following all of our social media platforms to not miss out on this valuable information. So, yep. June is going to be a very, very busy month in our community and ecosystem. And we really look forward to learning and growing together as we continue to build the businesses of our dreams. And of course, we also have really fantastic conversations that we've been having on our Monetize Your Business podcast conversations. So make sure that you're tuned over here on YouTube to listen to all of these highly insightful conversations. I'm wishing you all of the best for the month of June. I know that in South Africa it's chilly, it's winter, and things slow down a little bit. Don't let your dreams and building your business slow down. Don't let it get cold. Use this season to really plan for the big warmed up seasons where sales are coming in and there is an inflow and influx into your business. Winter is notoriously a lot quieter, especially for retail businesses, but do not let that discourage you. Plan for the times when things are looking up. I'm wishing you all the best for the month of June. Let's continue to stay plugged into our ecosystem, and we'll catch up again at the end of the month. Bye-bye for now.